welcome to today's episode of Trundlebed Tales. Today we're going to look at what I brought home from my Marceline Mansfield trip. And instead of an unboxing, it's going to be kind of an unbagging today, but I thought that you might enjoy seeing what we got. Now, the first stop on my trip down to Mansfield this time, since I was traveling by myself, made a pit stop in Marceline, Missouri, which is where Walt Disney grew up. And his Main Street USA is modeled on Marceline. And so I've got a few things here. And the first one, this is for my nephew. And it is Walt Disney's Happy Place. This is the barn that they have rebuilt on the property, and if you go to Marceline, besides the museum, you can go out to the Disney property and see the barn that they rebuilt. Now I also got the tour guide of Marceline, Missouri, Walt Disney's hometown. Now, as I mentioned, as I was driving around, I did not get a really good chance to look through this before before I left, because I was kind of running late, as I always am. But this has got some really great things to see. One thing it doesn't really have are good addresses where things were. They had a map they were handing out, and they don't even really have the map in here, which I think's weird. But anyway, this is their tour book. So get this and you'll find out everything that you can see in Marceline. And I also got, next up, I got some Marceline magnets. That's showing Disney's family farm. So I also got some magnets that say Marceline, Disney's family farm. And I got some pennies that they had a penny press. And shot glasses. So then I got some postcards of various things around Marceline. This is of their Autotopia, which I think is great. Walt Disney gave them their the Autotopia that when they took it out of Disneyland. And there we go. Then I also got a pin, and this is from Walt's Dreaming Tree. It's a cottonwood, and also a piece of wood from his Dreaming Tree, which I just think is all amazingly cool. Thank you for joining us today for Trundlebed Tales, and remember to brighten the corner where you are. Look for us all over the web under Trundlebed Tales, and check back to this video channel for more coming episodes.